Yes, I'm still on the topic for what happened to our brothers, our sisters. 3 days ago, the Yorubas gave them 1 day quick notice. Before you know what is happening, they send Caterpillar demolishing their shops in Alaba International Market. Though they have, they don't do that thing before. They have demolished their shops in Alaba before. Now they came the second time to demolishing their houses, their shops, demolishing their shops. And according to our brother that it's like that our brother is Ezafia and all these people were there in charge market. He said that he called many people, top government official in Lagos, called them, telling them, look at what we are passing through. They are demolishing our shop. And those government officials telling him that we are not aware they are demolishing your shops in Lagos, in Alaba. He's calling many of them. But for my own, they know all these things, that they just the cover. Because you not tell me that Lagos State Governor is not aware of demolishing these shops in Alaba. You will not tell me that Lagos State Governor is not aware that Lagos State Governor is not aware of demolishing those shops in Abuja, in Lagos, Alaba International Market. But the problem I'm having with Igbo people, that Igbos people have serious problem. I say it in my previous video that when you see Aboki where they do shoemaker in this east, then we doing their work, living in a bachelor, just stay in one house. If na 20 naira that Aboki saved, and Aboki won't use that 20 naira to do investment, that Aboki will send out money to their north to do investment where he won't do. Because he believes that we are in Nigeria, but we are not one Nigeria. The Aboki believe that we are in Nigeria, but we are not one Nigeria. But Igbo people believe in one Nigeria. They believe that this is now one Nigeria, but in fact, Hana practice that we have one love in all the tribes. Simple thing is that Yorubas don't need you people again in Lagos. Wait, let me. Please, as you are joining me, help me to share this message. The main thing is that Yorubas don't need you people again in Lagos. In my previous video, there was a popular pastor in Yoruba. The video is online. They called the pastor for a meeting. And in that meeting, it's a Yoruba meeting. They were discussing that Igbos have bought many places in Lagos or everywhere. Igbos don't buy everywhere. They are not happy. They are looking for a way to collect all these places where Igbo bought in Lagos. And that pastor stood up, asking them, Igbo people no force you people to that Igbo people no force you people to sell all this land. Why are you now angry, trying how to collect it from Igbos? And that pastor stood up, leave them in that meeting. And that pastor came online, say it online. Now, after that pastor said that thing, though during that time, Jagaban don't become the president of Nigeria, Tinubu. And did you know, since Tinubu become the president of Nigeria, since then, and Governor Sonwo is in Lagos, since then till today, they are demolishing houses, properties in Lagos. You know, so even some of our Hausas now, they are not happy with the Yorubas, because some of the things that is in Abuja now, they are bringing it in Lagos But that is not the topic I want to say here. Some of the things where they for Abuja now, they don't bring it in Lagos. And also people not happy for what Jagaban they do. So I'm not here to talk about that one. But what I'm talking about here is that the Alaba International Market they demolished 3 days ago. Then give Igbo people 1 day quick notice. The next day, they send Caterpillar, demolish all their shops. So now, after that meeting, that pastor came out, say, look at what these people are doing, are planning against the Igbos. That pastor is a Yoruba man, but he said that he's not in support of evil. But you that listen to the sound of my voice, you know that you're not a Christian. Yes, please. My data don't finish. I will end up now. I don't know. Please, if you can listen to the sound of my voice, tap high. Please, tap high. Let me know whether you people can see me. Please, the thing just cut. If you not listen to me, make on a tap high. Make I know whether somebody is here. Please, I don't know what is happening. I'm out of data now. The thing will cut off. But let me deliver my message before I will come out. Please, tap high if you can see me. Tap high, please. Let me know. Okay. So let me land the message up because I believe before 5 minutes the data will finish. So now, the pastor came out, said that he's not in support of this thing Yorubas are planning against Igbos, and that pastor is a Yoruba man. And since that time, after that meeting, like 3 months, something like that, they start demolishing houses, shops. They demolition all these places, calling it this place is this one. This. Do you know Igbos they cry in Lagos during that period? They are crying, but who will speak for the Igbos? Nobody. Who are the governor, senator, one permanent Igbo man that will stood up? I'm not talking about my own. I'm talking about people where they're popular in Igbo land. People where they're popular. That if they speak, they will not go to newspaper to pay money for newspaper to light within them talk. They will not even go to radio station to pay or go to television to pay. No, if they speak, television week, all this news, this thing we carry their statement. Many bloggers will carry their statement. They post it online. Who are the people that will speak for Igbos? And all this tribalism, these people are practicing in Nigeria. Listen to me. That is why I don't know the kind of Christianity I will practice in Nigeria. Because the main thing is that this tribalism now, they're for politics. This tribalism now, they're inside Christianity in Nigeria. I'm telling you the truth. Tribalism in Christianity, tribalism in politics. Now, all these shops, now they are demolition in Alaba International Market. Who will speak for Igbos? Who will speak for the Igbos in Lagos, Ndi Igbo na Alaba International Market today, as I'm talking to you right now? Where are those Igbos, those billionaire social media that are saying that I'm bringing my investment to Lagos, I'm bringing my investment to Lagos? Where are they? Those people that are motivating you to do investment in Lagos, where they there now? Those people where they motivate you to do investment in Lagos, where they there? Tell them to come and help you. I'm telling you that there is something like one Nigeria. I'm telling you that these people don't need you again in Lagos. You do your business that place, 99% or 90% of investment. Bring it in this east. Learn from Aboki where they work in this east. Then go do their work, carry their money, go to their hometown in the north, do investment where they want to do. Learn from Evangelist Bukobi, what Evangelist Bukobi did. He came to Imo State. Look at that place now. People are coming that place. School, factories, many things will be started moving that place now. A lot of people, estates, all these people where they buy estate development, they are everywhere. Don't they start now? University now, school, everything. They are buying land that place. But Igbos, I don't know the problem of Igbos. Igbo people, they do like people where them cost. My brother Nandi cannot tell them before. Ojuku tell them. I don't know they can't stop on when the Igbo bunisi. Ojuku want you people. Nandi can and other people. I don't know they are ife. I know they here. And I believe in one Nigeria. Also no kegana toto. Also no bundi kegana toto. Egana tonda also tona tondi yoba. Una get use wisdom. Una get use where mala obrano nime. I'm sorry for those people. For the Demolition, their shops, both their goods inside their shop. I'm sorry for what happened to you people. But what will I do? I don't have that much power in politics to speak. Nigeria will hear me. If say I don't reach that level now to speak, I know what I can talk. But because I never reached that level, I can do the one I go feed do. I pray that others that are on top, not on top, can have this news. One day quick notice, the next day they demolish people, Igbo shops. What kind of wickedness is this? What kind of wickedness is this? Ha! Yorubas that are doing Igbos this thing, listen to me. Know that you people must suffer this thing. Whatever a man sowed in this life, you will reap what you sowed. All these Yorubas that are doing Igbos this thing in Lagos, you people must suffer this thing. Land where somebody saved money for many years, save money for 10 years, 20 years, 5 years, you buy your own land. They pay tax. They pay you people tax. All the money what you people want. Igbo people they pay them in Lagos. When at the high price, Igbo they pay them. Now because of envy, when I want to pursue them out to take that place where they bought with their money. Now cost money, all the Yorubas, both their government, any place where want to put that money cost, una cost where una don't carry. Even Governor Sonwolu, all of you people, even Machagaban, all this Igbo property now, you people are using political power, collect it back from them. Anyway, we want to put that money, now cost money, God must judge all of you one by one. Both Tinubu, Governor Sonwolu, all of you were there in support of this, what they are doing to Igbos in Lagos. All this money we want to one now to pursue them to carry the money. God who created heaven and earth must punish all of you one by one. Because that in the egalo kobo egobala. They came to your village. All the tax they are paying it. They buy land where water there. Cover them, develop your place. After everything, una now don't they use back thing to pay them all the tax money. They are paying it. Sometimes when I go add money for the tax money, then go pay them. Now that one don't do okay for you people. What you people need now is to pursue them, to take them. That way no belongs to you. Where you use power to collect it. Know that you suffer it. Even Martinibu or Sonwolu, Governor of Lagos State, all of you where they plan all this is against Igbo. Or your generation must suffer this thing. Whatever a man sweat in this life, you will reap what you sow. If you know reap and your children will reap. This is what I do now, cause. I'm about to land up. These brokers. I'm about to land up, but Igbos, let us wake up. Ndi Igbo, let us wake up.